Have you ever felt completely crushed by life, like no one could possibly understand your pain? What if I told you there's a passage in the Bible that doesn't just speak about hope, it actively transforms it? Many people skim through chapters, missing the life-changing power hidden in a single psalm, but Psalm 30 isn't one to overlook. It's controversial in a way. It challenges the idea that suffering is permanent and flips the script, showing that joy isn't just a promise, it's a daily possibility. Stick around, because by the end, you'll see how reading, reflecting, and applying this powerful psalm could literally change the way your life unfolds. Then, let's read the chapter together. I will exalt you, Lord, for you lifted me out of the depths and did not let my enemies gloat over me. Lord my God, I called to you for help, and you healed me. You, Lord, brought me up from the realm of the dead. You spared me from going down to the pit. Sing the praises of the Lord, you his faithful people, praise his holy name. For his anger lasts only a moment, but his favor lasts a lifetime. Weeping may stay for the night, but rejoicing comes in the morning. When I felt secure, I said, I will never be shaken. Lord, when you favored me, you made my royal mountain stand firm, but when you hid your face, I was dismayed. To you, Lord, I called, to the Lord I cried for mercy. What is gained if I am silenced, if I go down to the pit? Will the dust praise you? Will it proclaim your faithfulness? Hear, Lord, and be merciful to me, Lord, be my help. You turned my wailing into dancing. You removed my sackcloth and clothed me with joy, that my heart may sing your praises and not be silent. Lord my God, I will praise you forever. Let's say a quick prayer to thank the Lord for his mercy. Hey God, thank you for opening my eyes through Psalm 30 today. Thank you for showing me that even in my darkest nights, joy is coming, and that your rescue and restoration are real in my life. Help me not just to read these chapters, but to live them, to trust you when things feel heavy, to praise you when I feel weak, and to carry this hope into every part of my day. Teach me to notice your work, big and small, and to let gratitude guide my steps. Amen. Now that you've explored the depths of Psalm 30, it's time to ask yourself, how will you let this truth change your life? Will you let sorrow define your days, or will you embrace the promise that joy comes in the morning? Take a moment to read these chapters daily, reflect on the moments God has delivered you, and speak your gratitude out loud. Imagine keeping a journal of blessings and answered prayers. It's a small habit that transforms perspective and strengthens faith. If this message hit home, I want you to take action. Comment below with one way you'll let praise shape your life. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications to continue discovering how the Bible's wisdom can shift your every day. And, as always, don't forget to check the last video and learn more about the scriptures.